Moin Moin, and thanks for tuning in. Who are the key stakeholders when you're trying to ramp up employee experience in an organization? Well, there are different ones, but I think the most important are executives, because they need to provide the budget and the backing to start employee experience. And the second is having one or two business leaders that really are prepared to try out the new approach of managing employee experiences. The first, I already said, you need the budget, obviously, and the mandate to test employee experience approaches, to get started with those. And that will always also include employee experience measurement. So you need to measure employee experience, make the experiences visible. And to measure employee experience, you need access to employees. And to get that access, you need to have the buy-in of a business leader, ideally someone that really faces a business problem that is due to a people challenge, like attrition rate. That's always a very strong case to start with, because it's pretty easy to observe that. That person needs to give you access to employees, needs to agree that you survey them to make experiences visible, and also needs to be prepared to, at the end, implement solutions to improve experience. So executives to provide a budget, and business leaders to give access to employees and allow for changes of experiences. Those are the two key stakeholder groups to keep in mind when starting with employee experience. Many thanks for watching. Please leave your comments down below, and bye-bye.